Sorry guys, this is not a build video because I've already built it. Well, nearly anyway. I had some white pizza trays to play with. So the plan is a twin engine Delta. Using the infrared receiver from that helicopter and probably that LiPo battery that I bought for something totally different. It's quite a big one compared to the one that was in the helicopter, but the idea is that should give us plenty of nose weight to help balance the motors on the back of the plane. So a bit of soldering to do, and then we'll go and try it. Well, that's a shame. It's not going to happen. Got the little receiver from the Silverlit helicopter with an oversized battery, which was probably a bad move. And these two motors are, I think they're replacement Hubsan motors. And basically I've burnt out the receiver. When I put both motors on full power, it worked for a while and then cut out, and now this one doesn't work at all, and it's actually the circuit on the receiver board that's gone. There's a couple of little, I guess they're power transistors you could call them. I might do a real close-up on that later. But I think one of those is probably burnt out. Because, as you can see, they should both work together. But only the one's now running. It is the one that does the steering, actually. But that's it, so we're not going to be using this to power it. It actually got very hot, so that's what's happened. I've cooked it by using motors that are too big for it and a battery that's too powerful. So, shame. I had it all nicely fitted in place, but it's just not going to happen. I might use this for something else, but it won't be that infrared receiver. So, shame. Using my USB microscope here, just to get an extra close-up of the infrared receiver circuit board, you can see the M1 and M2, motor 1, motor 2 tags, and they have a common positive feed, M+. Other than that, I'm not going to try and talk through the rest of the circuit board, because I don't really know what it all is. It's labelled, got C's for capacitors, R's for resistors, Q for transistors. But this is just a general, let's have a look at the board close up. There's nothing obviously burnt out, but I don't feel competent enough to try and fix anything at this size. And soldering iron's bigger than any of those circuit components.